In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WhatsApp for automated messaging using ManyChat, enhancing your customer engagement by making communication seamless and efficient. Let's dive in and explore how to get this done smoothly. Start by heading over to the Settings tab within your ManyChat dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you can tailor your chatbot settings according to your specific needs. Once you're there, what you'll want to do is explore the Channels option. This is important because channels provide a wide array of messaging platforms that fit various automation strategies. Taking a moment to consider the specific channels your customer base uses most frequently is a worthwhile investment upfront. For this setup, we're going to focus on the popular option of WhatsApp, which is a fantastic choice given its worldwide reach and familiarity with users. Setting up WhatsApp can dramatically improve communication by engaging customers where they already are. The first crucial action is to click on WhatsApp within the Channels section. Doing so initiates the process of linking your WhatsApp business account, an essential step to start automating those valuable conversations. You'll find a Connect button. Give that a click to begin the integration process. It's as simple as that. This connection enables seamless communication between ManyChat and WhatsApp, allowing you to manage interactions effortlessly. Once you've connected successfully, you'll need to select your preferred messaging channel option. This choice largely depends on how you want your engagement to be delivered and can include automated messages, broadcasts, or customer support queries. Think about what would most benefit your audience and optimize for that purpose. After making your selection, continue the process by clicking the Continue button. This step advances you further into the setup, ensuring everything is wrapped up and ready to run smoothly. It's reassuring to know that most of this setup can be completed quickly, so you won't be tied up with technical tasks for long. Remember, with WhatsApp on board, you're setting up a direct line for your brand to converse with customers in an environment that's both comfortable and immediate for them. Whether you're looking to boost sales through quick follow-ups or keep engagement high with consistent communication, getting this connection right can be a game changer for your business. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to integrating WhatsApp with ManyChat. Now you can engage with customers efficiently by enabling channel automation in a way that's both strategic and user-friendly. Enjoy the benefits of automated communications and start optimizing your interactions today.